今日同大家講下 tenses，咁你無論寫議論文因為記敘文都好啦，每一句子都會用到 tense，咁所以如果你唔熟 tenses 嘅説話咧，你有機會係每一句都會錯，每一句都要做改正。最基本嘅概念要搞清楚先。英文嘅 tenses 分零緊咗三個概念。乜嘢係零咧？就係你慣常嘅存在咯，就係 simple aspect 咁嘅意思啦。譬如 I go to school every day。Go 你係唔需要加任何嘢嘅，就好似廣東話咁。我每日返學，唔係我返緊學，又唔係我返咗學，所以千祈唔好喺返後邊加任何嘅嘢。我哋叫做零嘅概念。咁緊嘅概念大家都知道 ing 啦，我返緊學咯。I'm going to school。我已經返咗學啦，唔係 I have gone to school already。最高難度嘅地方係作緊文嘅時候，或者你講緊嘢嘅時候，要三種唔同嘅 aspects 一齊使用，交替使用。你唔識嘅梗係亂咁用啦，所以咪句句都要做改正咯。點樣交替嚟用啊？譬如我講話 I am John, I'm now talking to you. I teach English for a living, and I have had my breakfast already. I am John 個 am 啦。I teach English for a living 個 teach 啦，咪用緊 simple aspect 咯。咁呢個係 present simple tense 嚟嘅，恆常發生噶嘛，所以咪一個零嘅概念咯，乜嘢都唔好加。I am talking to you 咪 ing 咯 ，am talking 就係一個緊嘅概念咯，即係我同你講緊嘢咯。I have had my breakfast already。have had have 後邊要三號仔，即係 past participle 嘅，咁咪個 had 字咯。I have had my breakfast already。我已經食咗早餐啦，咪一個咗嘅概念咯。如果你用廣東話，食咗即係已經發生咗，但係同依家係有啲關係，就係我依家仲係飽飽，所以多謝你個蘋果，我唔食住啦，因為我已經食飽咗啦。I have eaten something already。你學識咗呢三種基本嘅 tenses 之後咧，先至諗嗰啲比較複雜少少嗰啲，譬如 present perfect continuous。I have been talking to you for 3 hours already， 即係我已經同你講咗3個鐘頭嘢啦，仲會繼續傾落去，可能傾夠5個鐘。又或者 past perfect 咯，即係之前嘅之前啊。The burglar had left before the police arrived。had left 個 left 字係 leave left 個 past participle 第三個字，所以我哋叫三號仔過去分詞。咁 the police arrived 係2號仔嚟嘅 past simple tense 嚟㗎。咁所以邊個發生先啊？就係 had left past perfect tense 發生先嘅。咁佢已經走咗啦，警察先 arrived 先至到來，係2號仔嚟嘅 past simple 嘅。咁所以啲警察捉唔到個賊咯。Past perfect tense had left 係咪比較難少少呢？ Tenses 最難嘅地方就係好似你馬戲團裏邊玩雜耍嗰個小丑咁樣咯，你將嗰啲 balls 不斷去 juggle，又 present simple 啊，又 present perfect continuous 啊，又 past perfect 啊，又 past simple 啊，好多學生覺得好混亂，於是求其亂咁用啦，咪成版錯晒咯。但係其實有時功多藝熟嘅咋，好似你廣東話用零緊咗嘅咩啦，你講唔講得出咩時候用邊個字啊？但係你唔會用錯嘅喎，大家都聽得明喎。點解啊？咪4個字咯，功多藝熟。跟住咪再4個字咯，熟能生巧。補翻個練習俾大家 ，Tenses 嘅 Set 1 QR code。